Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Steel World. With the continuing last episode, today we are going to see the another application of the steel wire that is particularly in the wire netting industries in India. Wire netting industry got a huge potential and recently have a value addition particularly in mining industries, cement industry, then food industry, chemical industries, stone crusher industries. These industries, this wire netting, they are using different kind of mesh and wire nets for different kind of particulars, for separation purpose, for sizing purpose, for filtering purpose, depending upon the application, the size, the industry, the different kind of meshes are used. Under this segment today we will see the two application, that is crimping mesh used in stone crusher or mining industry, and second one is the mosquito mesh, that is fine mesh used for the household application. Mesh is also called the vibrating screens. These mesh are used in particular in stone crushing industry, in mining industry, in coal industry, to separate those stones of different sizes and different standards. These are the consumable screens because of the heavy speeds of stones and the weight. These are often replaced after every month. The life of every screen is almost around 20 to 25 days. In a single days they can screen or they can separate the stones of order of 40 to 45 tons a day. So based upon this, there are different screening and different methods are available to make this mesh. You can see the wire is generally first made to crimp is nothing but the shallow depth given to the wire. After this, the weaving pattern is set up in the crimping mesh machine. As you've seen in this, based upon the customer requirement, the whole size is given. Based upon this, these wires are woven on horizontal and vertical basis based upon the customer requirement. After this, there is a edge preparation is given to the particular screens. As you see, the in the edge preparation, the steel strip and the crimping mesh are bolted together. This is required to fix these screens when we are going to use this screen into the mining and crushing industries, particularly in the deck where these screens are fixed. And after this, stones are getting separated as you seen in this video. With the technical aspect and the commercial aspect, this the high carbon spring steel is used to make these vibrating screens or crimped mesh. These high carbon steel wire are of carbon percentage of 51 to 61 percentage. They require tensile around 100 kg to 140 kg in order to withstand the high force generated during the separation of stones and coals. So these wires are available in different sizes, let us say 2 mm to 10 mm thicker section and fine around 0.70 to 1.60. These fine mesh are made from the patented wire particular special heat treatment process in order to give the boost the high strength, and which is particularly used in the chemical and the metallurgical and other cement factory where there is a rust, there is a high strength is required. And another commercial aspect, the machine required is very simple. The gears are used to make the crimp while the other machine is used to make the particular pattern. The total investment for such business is come to around 10 lakh rupees for the machine, and it's a single process. So for this, the skill manpower is very much required, because without skill manpower it is very difficult to make the accurate screen sizes and with the accurate mention as per the customer. So these screens are generally heavy, and then generally weight of single screen is around 40 to 45 kg, and you can say the wire required for such screens is it is around 70 rupees per kg, and you can sell these screens to the customers is around 100 to 110 rupees per kg. Most of this mining business is located in Mumbai, then part of Telangana, then Coimbatore, then North Karnataka, where these screen manufacturers are industries are available, and most of the consumption per month is around 1500 to 2000 metric tons. So since this is a consumable item, so there is a huge market demand is available in India every month except rainy season.